Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the fascinating 1964 Citroen DS-19, a car that revolutionized automotive design and engineering. Here's a comprehensive overview. Exterior design. The Citroen DS-19 is a timeless masterpiece, celebrated for its futuristic and aerodynamic design. Penned by Italian designer Flaminio Bertoni, its sleek silhouette, sloping roofline, and distinct teardrop shape stood out in the 1960s. The car's hydropneumatic suspension system allowed it to adjust ride height, giving it an elegant, floating appearance on the road. Notable features include covered rear wheels, tapered headlights, and chrome accents that enhance its sophistication. Interior design. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalistic yet luxurious cabin. The single-spoke steering wheel and uncluttered dashboard were groundbreaking at the time, offering both functionality and futuristic aesthetics. The seats are plush and supportive, designed for long-distance comfort, while the expansive glass area provides excellent visibility and a spacious feel. High-quality materials and a focus on ergonomic design ensured a premium experience for the era. Performance. Under the hood, the 1964 DS-19 was powered by a 1.9-liter inline-4 engine producing around 83 horsepower. While not a speed demon, it offered a smooth and refined drive, thanks to its innovative suspension system. The hydropneumatic setup delivered exceptional ride quality, gliding over bumps and ensuring a controlled, comfortable experience, even on rough roads. Safety. The DS was ahead of its time in safety. It featured front disc brakes, a rarity in the 1960s, and a crumple zone design to protect passengers during collisions. The innovative suspension system also contributed to better handling and stability, adding to its reputation as a safe and reliable car. Price. When launched, the Citroen DS was a premium offering. In 1964, its price ranged around $3,000 to $3,500 in the US market, approximately $30,000 in today's money, positioning it as a car for those who valued innovation and luxury. Overall verdict. The 1964 Citroen DS-19 was more than just a car, it was a statement. Its combination of groundbreaking design, innovative technology, and exceptional comfort made it a symbol of forward-thinking engineering. While it wasn't the fastest car of its time, it excelled in sophistication, safety, and ride quality, solidifying its place as an icon in automotive history. Whether you're a collector or just an enthusiast, the Citroen DS-19 remains a marvel worth appreciating.